Memorial Day kicks off summer and summer eating. In California in May, we have what's known as May gray, so it's not quite grilling season. So what to make? How about unabashed, unashamed Southern fried chicken? You want to know the secret to Southern fried chicken really being delicious? Delicious. I'll tell you. Now, everybody likes fried food pretty much, even if they think they shouldn't eat it. It's tasty. But this fried chicken is going to be the most moist, flavorful, so that when you get into that meat, there is, wow, I'll let you know. This recipe is from my late husband, Chef Mark Peel's cookbook, New Classic Family Dinners, which was a cookbook based on these Monday night dinners he used to do at his legendary restaurant, Campanile. And when he would make this fried chicken, it would sell out. Now, Mark was a fourth generation Angeleno, but I am the half Southern here. My daddy is from Georgia. Yes, daddy. And I have very fond memories of swinging on the tree swing on my grandma and grandpa's front yard in Marietta, Georgia, looking in to see the preparation with the iced tea and fried chicken. I love iced tea. So let's start this with what we know. Fried chicken needs to be fried. It can be fried in oil, all kinds of different oils. But for this one, we're going for the Mama Jama. Lard. That's right. We're not kidding around. It's good old pork fat. Pork lard. Ideally, the temperature should be 375 degrees. I could not get it up to 375. It's only about 350. You want to keep turning the chicken around every 2 to 3 minutes to get it evenly cooked. And you can also put it in the oven just to make sure. Also checking for the internal temperature. 160 degrees is the safe time to eat your chicken. See, I'm doing it in batches there. So, and as I cook them in the lard, which is going to be crispy and delicious, put it on either a brown paper bag or a newspaper. Now, the next part, or rather the part before this, was the batter. So this is flour, cayenne, and paprika. We're going to mix that all together. And here's a really important part. Yes, we need a shake and bake. Shake and bake, baby, shake and bake. So flour mixture goes in there. Oh boy, here's a preview. Oh, okay. This is the important part though. Just make sure the onions and such are not going in the bag with the flour. So get rid of the chunky bits. Then put it in the flour. Shake and bake, shake and bake, shake and bake. It will come out perfectly coated. One of the most important things in any recipe for me is how I can get 2 uses out of it. How I can feed my family at night and get a lunch for my son for school the next day. Because when I wake up in the morning, I don't know, like, I should make something. I love it that, oh, something's good. Oh, cold fried chicken. Who doesn't love that? It's fantastic. So it works as a hot dish and it works as a cold dish. So we've seen the frying part, we've seen the batter part. But if we go to the very beginning, this is where you will learn the true secret to unlocking the best fried chicken. You probably weren't expecting celery leaves. Celery leaves are really unsung as a flavoring, and it's been a bumper crop in my spring garden. It's not just about the stalk. The leaves really have so much flavor. So we're going to chop up the celery leaves and some parsley and an onion. Very, very important for this recipe. So, onion, parsley, celery. It's all going to go together. And how about some of that cayenne and paprika? Now, Mark hadn't put that in this part, but I thought, why the heck not? And also some garlic, and most importantly, buttermilk. Here it comes. You really want to massage the onion and the buttermilk and all that flavoring into the chicken. You can put it in a Ziploc, or I just left it in the bowl overnight. And that's the key. The chicken's got to work while I sleep. Marinate it overnight. This is what's going to infuse your chicken. When your guests bite into your fried chicken, they're going to taste the onions. They're going to taste the tang of the buttermilk. This is what makes it different from all other fried chickens. So let's review. You're going to cook it in lard. That'll just melt away in no time for a crispy, delicious skin. The batter, the paprika, the cayenne, the salt, the pepper. You're going to shake it up. You're going to fry it. Golden brown and delicious. You can have it fresh, hot off the skillet, or you can have it cold the next day. Nice picnic, perhaps? That's a good summer outing. Once you've made this unabashed, unashamed Southern fried chicken, all other fried chickens will pale in comparison. Enjoy your Memorial Day weekend and enjoy this fried chicken. Be sure to hit subscribe for more Daphne dishes again.